Hey everyone, okay, so the next few videos that I'm going to be uploading are going to be past videos. I was planning not to upload them anymore since they are old, but I decided why the heck not. And yeah, I'm gonna upload what we did for the last 2 months, I believe. So yeah, and then hopefully I can catch up for the rest of the holiday season. All right, enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been quite a while since I've recorded or done any videos, but today is the first day of fall. Yay! I'm just getting some lunch ready for baby and myself. I'm gonna say, come here, come here. So today I went into TJ Maxx. I didn't record in the store or whatever, but I was looking for some fall stuff and some Halloween things. They did have like Halloween decor, but nothing that I really liked. Plus, it wasn't at the right price point. It was a little bit too expensive. I did get this coffee mug. It's a left-handed coffee mug. I'm right-handed, but oh well, it's fine. So today I am not sure what I'm gonna do. I don't have a lot of plans for today. Like I don't think I'm gonna go out again. Well, I do have to buy groceries, but I don't know if I'll do that today or tomorrow. But yeah, it was fun to get out of the house early in the morning. I got ready and dressed, and I'll show you my outfit of the day. It's very pretty. I plan on decorating for fall and Halloween today, so I am going to be cleaning. So I guess I'm going to turn some Gilmore Girls on and fix up my area over there.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long.
I still have my Halloween towels from last year. Hand towels, kitchen towels. I will be using these again.
To show me your love, cause I wanna be certain we don't need to be long.
Hey guys, my mom also bought this thing.
Okay, quick fall haul. This is from Big Lots. I bought this so that I can hang it up on my front door. It's really pretty. Bought this wall plaque at Dollar Tree. Going back to Big Lots, I bought one of these foliage things to put up there. I bought this little tabletop plaque. It's a two-sided. It's the two-sided plaque. So that's cute. I picked up these two little ceramic ghost and little skeleton. They both light up. They're from Big Lots. And I have a few other things in the garage, but I have to move my husband's pickup truck to be able to get to them. So I will do that later once we get to them.
You whisper with your eyes, I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough, give it enough, give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just wait.
Oh, I forgot to put this one up.
Cause I wanna be certain.
Okay, so I'm done for now. Super simple, super quick decorating. It looks nice. I like it. I have to keep an eye on this so that it doesn't go above the candles and wet and catch on fire. There's still a bit of a mess over here, but it's where we keep our little things that we use. So that part up there I didn't do anything to because last year I put some purple lights up there for Halloween, and I think I'm gonna do that again this year, which is probably gonna clash with the orange and brown down here, but It's okay. It's my favorite time of the year. Fall and
Everyone-
Christmas.
everyone.
September, October, November, December. Those are my favorite months. We'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.